Welcome to Creativity and Science and Social Studies. With social studies, we're really helping children become citizens of their classrooms, of their entire schools, and of the larger community connected to their lives. By keeping them curious and connected to all of these different social systems that they're a part of, we can really tap into both their curiosity and some creative concepts. One thing that can work very well for social studies at any age is identifying a real world problem and some potential solutions that might include something like recycling within the school, where even at 3 or 4 years old, students could develop a plan and really make an impact within their school. It can be something that they're interested in that's happening in the world. And what works best is to have a whole unit theme that could be days, weeks, months, focused on something largely, whenever possible, that they're interested in as well. For instance, at one school, there was construction happening next door, and all of the children started to become very interested in different processes related to construction. And so they had units with math and blocks and literacy and even a field trip and getting to meet the workers next door, all tied around construction. Thinking of how a child can focus on themselves, their families, the center or school, and the local community is all part of social studies. In all of these academic areas, we're working to cultivate curiosity. NACE discusses a lot of the benefits and the importance of science throughout early childhood through that exploration time. Children need multiple and varied experiences for science exploration and discovery. One way that many classes do this are through varied and very exciting and interactive discovery tables or science centers. An important piece here is to have enough time for children to explore it, but also making sure that we are rotating and changing the materials within our sensory tables as well and our discovery tables. We can do a lot of simple experiments in the classroom. We want to always be promoting inquiry and rather than giving the answers, helping students to ask the questions and discover things on their own. We can set up unique field trips and speakers from a variety of work fields to really keep students interested in science and in the world around them. And thinking of having a science notebook for each child or for the class where they can draw pictures and make observations related to plants growing, gardening, how their class pets are doing, keeping track of um, surveys and more that they can do within the class.